You send your file to the client and they reply. The images are missing, the text looks weird, and everything is in Comic Sans. Congratulations, you've just met the chaos of bad file sharing. Today, we are going to make collaboration painless and bulletproof. Every designer has a horror story. Mine was a 300 copy print run where half of the text got trimmed off because I forgot bleed margins. That day I learned Preflight is cheaper than reprint. Proofing isn't optional. It's your final quality check before hitting send to printer. So where to find this lifesaver? Go to Window, Layout, and Preflight. And this window pops open. This little panel is your safety net. Click Check Now, and Layout instantly scans your document for issues like missing images or fonts, low resolution images, overset text, missing bleed, and RGB images in a CMYK file. So let's click it. Check now. Nothing happens. But we have 3 pictures here. What happened? Click on this little menu icon here and edit profile. Find your image resolution, and here you can check maximum DPI. Click on this. Click on this. Here you may see 600. That's unreasonably big because printer maximum is 300 anyway. So put the 300 here and close. And you already can see that DPI for those pictures are too high. Lazy way to fix it is just make a picture bigger if you can. And you see the warning is gone. And let's push it. Let's do it here and check again. Still you are good. But if you're putting it like this, you see it's a little bit over the trim and a little bit on the bleed. You get the warning bleed hazard. And you can do your custom preset, what checks the things that are most important to you. So you just go to edit profile, then change whatever you need to check, close, and then again this little menu and create preset. High resolution images look great on screen, but can betray you in print if they are too small. Use Document Resource Manager to check DPI. Anything under 200 DPI is too soft for print. Ideal is 300 DPI, like I said. If something's too low, replace it with high resolution version or scale it down in a layout. Scaling up in layout doesn't increase real quality, it just makes pixels bigger. Also verify that all images are linked, not missing, and that the color space matches your output. CMYK for print and RGB for digital. Fonts are another silent killer. Missing fonts can wreck your layout and spacing. If you want to check your fonts, go to Document, Font Manager, and let's write something here. So we can actually see that something is there, and you can see it's ARIA regular and it's okay. When exporting your print PDF, make sure embed fonts is turned on. This ensures your file looks exactly the same on your printer's computer. If the font license doesn't allow embedding, outline it. And how to do it? Go to your text, right click it, and convert to curves. Now you don't have font but vector. But do this for final output because you can't edit it after. This is where so many print jobs go wrong. Always include at least a 3mm bleed on all sides. You can check bleed in document setup. Scroll down and here you can see bleed. I have put it 5. Usually it's 3 to 5 millimeters, but 3 being minimum. Then if you want to see your bleed, go to View, Show and Bleed. If you uncheck it, you see the bleed here is gone. View, Show, Bleed, and it's back on. When exporting, check Include Bleed and Include Crop Marks. That tells the printer exactly where to cut. Keep important text and logos inside your margins. That's your safety zone. If it's too close to the edge, assume the guillotine will find it. Monitors show light, printers use ink. That means what looks bright on screen can look dull on paper. To preview the real results, turn on soft proofing. Go to Pixel, New Adjustment Layer, and Soft Proof. Click on it and choose your color profile. You see, your picture actually change the lightness in real time. This simulates how your design will print instantly. Toggle it on and off to computer screen. If your reds and blues look muted, that's normal. It's the CMYK reality check. Better to adjust now than cry later. Here's the fast Preflight to proof checklist I use before every print job. Open Preflight and fix all warnings. Verify all images are 300 dpi and CMYK. Embed or outline fonts. Confirm bleed and margins are visible. Turn on soft proof and adjust colors. Export PDF with bleed and crop marks. And last and definitely not the least, open in Acrobat to double check. If you follow that, your print files will pass any pre-press test. No surprises, no panic call. Next time, we'll cover advanced publishing workflows, merging prints, digital and interactive layouts. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and remember, organized designers sleep better.